Hello children, welcome back to your chemistry class, and we are in the chapter number 18, pollution of air and water. We have already seen pollution of air. Today we are going to see pollution of water. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter. We all know that water, like air, is a basic necessity of life. Yes or no? We all need water for various activities every day. The moment you get up, water is needed, like starting from brushing, taking bath, drinking, cooking, cleaning the house, watering plants, washing clothes. There are various uses of water. But due to the increasing population, we are seeing that water is becoming polluted day by day. Water is becoming dirty. We are not, lots of our earth is covered 75% of the water, but all of the water we are not able to use. It is not potable water. So it is a reason of concern for all of us. It is a thing to worry. So in this chapter, we are going to see what causes water pollution and how we can stop the water pollution. Now again, when the word pollution has come, means what? Some undesirable thing is getting mixed with water, and these undesirable things may be sewage water, chemicals, or the activities like washing clothes, taking bath in river. This also pollutes the water, and the substances that pollute the water are called as water pollutants. We are all aware of this. Now the best example to study water pollution is the example of river Ganga. We know that river Ganga is a sacred river for Hindus, and this Ganga, it flows through northern, central and eastern India, and it sustains most of the population. Indian population means it supplies water to large number of people all over India, and millions of people depend on this water for their daily activities. But let us see what is happening to the water of Ganga. Now, as the water of Ganga flows through different regions, it gets polluted. A large number of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies are being thrown into the river, and this is causing high level of pollution. The aquatic life cannot survive in river Ganga, so the government took an initiative to clean river Ganga. This was known as Ganga Action Plan and was launched in the year 1985. अभी भी इस प्लान के तहत गंगा की सफाई होते जा रहा है, लेकिन गंगा अभी भी पूरी तरह साफ नहीं हो पाया है. And see, the major concern of the pollution for river Ganga is the increasing population, industrialization. Okay, population अगर increase होगा, उसका activities बढ़ेगा और वो गंदगी भी बढ़ेगी. अगर आप इंडस्ट्रीज़ लगाते हो और प्रॉपर नियम का पालन नहीं करते हो, तो इंडस्ट्री से जो भी गार्बेज निकल रहा है, पोल्यूटेंट्स निकल रहा है, वो फाइनली वाटर बॉडीज़ में डंप हो रहा है. सो दीज आर बेसिक कंसर्न. Okay, now let us take a specific example to understand the situation. Ganga at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, what happens to the river in this region? It is the UP, has a large number of population. It is the most populated towns in UP. So people, they bath in the river, they wash the clothes. Okay, then they defecate also. Okay, this is, and they throw garbage. Like गंगा रिवर है, सेक्रेड रिवर है, पवित्र नदी है, तो हम लोग जो भी पूजा कर रहे हैं, फूल, मूर्तियाँ, सब उसी में विसर्जन करके आ रहे हैं. सो ये सब जा कहाँ रहा है? अल्टीमेटली रिवर को गंदा कर रहा है. Now at Kanpur, what happens? The amount of water is comparatively small and flow of the river is very slow. Okay, and population तो है ही. In addition to that, there are 5,000 industries also, which includes fertilizers, detergent, leather, paint. So all these industries discharge their toxic chemical into the river. So this is the reason why the Ganga in Kanpur is being polluted. Now, can you tell Seeing the above example, what are the factors responsible for pollution of the river? एक तो we saw increasing population, second industrialization. And what steps can be taken to restore the river Ganga to its past glory? That people should stop throwing garbage in the river. Industries should not throw their waste product in the river. Okay. Then many industries we have seen that they are discharging their harmful chemicals into the rivers, which is polluting the water. This is also one of the major concern, okay, that the river Ganga is being polluted. So now we have also seen that these are main two things we have seen: overpopulation and industries which are throwing their waste into the water. Now third, it can be the pesticides and weedicides. These are two important things which is used for protection of crops. But when these chemicals they get dissolved in water, and along with when it rains, then what happens? These chemicals, these pesticides and weedicides are carried to the groundwater. Okay, so these chemicals and pesticides along with the rainwater goes inside the ground, and groundwater is a source of underground water table like tube wells. So when we are drinking this water, we may fall ill. So this is also one of the reasons for water getting polluted. Now sometimes what happened? Untreated sewage, wastewater story you might have read. In that you saw the sewage, गंदा पानी जो हमारे घरों से निकल रहा है, फैक्ट्री से निकल रहा है, ड्रेन का पानी, वो जाके अल्टीमेटली कहाँ जा रहा है? They are directly thrown into the river. This also contains many harmful substances like detergents, microorganisms. So these also causes pollution of water. Then this sewage, it contains bacteria, virus, fungi, many microorganisms are present which cause disease. So if you drink this type of water, we are sure to fall ill. Okay, so these are few of the reasons for water being polluted. Now let us see that many times it happens that हमें जो पानी दिख रहा है वो साफ़ ही दिख रहा है, लेकिन अगर वो पानी हम लोग पीते हैं तो हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है. मीन्स देर आर फ्यू माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इन दैट वाटर इज़ पोल्यूटेड विच वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी विद द नेकेड आइज. इफ़ वी ड्रिंक दैट टाइप ऑफ वाटर then also we are sure to fall ill. So which type of water we should drink? We should drink potable water which is suitable for drinking. And how we can get this suitable drinking water, or how can we get the potable drinking water? We have to stop the pollution of water. And how can we do that? We had seen in waste water treatment that how the water from the drains, from the sewage, they are being first treated and made it clean, and then only they are discharged into the river water bodies. So this will lessen the pollution. Then human activities like washing of clothes, bathing, they should be avoided in the water bodies. We should not throw garbage in the water bodies. So this way we can prevent the pollution of water. Now when we need safe drinking water, then what are the steps we can follow? That water can be filtered. Okay, it is a method we are using every day. आपके घर में या तो filter होगा या RO लगा होगा, aquaguard लगा होगा. This is a popular method of filtering the water which is used for drinking. Second is boiling. अगर आपके घर में filter नहीं है, you can boil the water. That also removes the impurities and germs. And third is use of chlorine. Okay, that is also used, or bleaching powder little bit, which is used to clean the water. Now in our part what we can do, okay, in our part what we can do to remove the pollution, to prevent pollution of water. Government has made many laws. Okay, we should follow that. Like industries का laws बना हुआ है that they should not throw the waste products into the water. देखो, laws for industry should be strictly implemented so that the polluted water is not disposed of directly into the rivers and lakes. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial area. Means industries का law कानून बना हुआ है कि आप जो अपना वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट निकाल रहे हो उसको डायरेक्टली वाटर बॉडीज़ में नहीं डाल सकते हो. तो ये लॉज को स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करना है जिससे पोल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर को रोका जा सके. ओके, एंड हमारे पार्ट से भी वी बीइंग अ good citizen of India, it is our responsibility also to see that water bodies are not polluted. Okay, so we can think of creative ideas like reusing water after washing, and we should save water. We should reuse water, like the water which is used for washing vegetables, they can be used for watering plants so that water is not wasted. Okay, एंड पोल्यूशन, पहले लगता था कि पोल्यूशन एक बहुत भारी चीज़ है, लेकिन नाउ इफ़ वी आर वर्क प्रॉपरली, everybody is educated now. If we think of ways how we can prevent our air pollution, how we can prevent water pollution, we can surely do it. Okay, because अगर हम लोग अपने responsibility को सही तरह समझें and think that environment should be friendly, we should be friendly to the environment, then we can make our earth a beautiful place to live in. Okay, so this is all about air and water pollution. The chapter is complete.